I'm not trying to run it with them. Yo, what's up guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today we are rocking the sleeveless look because we are about to hit the gym and pump up these muscles. Yeah buddy! And drive, of course, the Lexus RCF to the gym. And that's because there's no better way than going to the gym than driving your full-blown Lexus RCF. You feel me? I'm not thinking about it. I'm not even a fan of the sleeveless look. I don't know. I wanted to test something out today. Anyways, guys, do you guys remember that strange sound that was coming from the rear of the RCF? Well, it turns out that it wasn't the tires. It was actually my wheel bearings, aka the hubs. So everyone that actually helped me out with that, I appreciate you guys because I actually got it fixed. So no more sounds. I got all new hubs the other week, and yeah, so no more sounds. Hey, damn, this thing is looking kind of clean and dirty at the same time. There's a few things I need to fix during the summertime or even during right now, but right now it's not that bad. This thing actually doesn't look too bad right now. Shit. Well guys, I do have to show you something. Yo, I don't know how the hell this scratch formed, but it's like a perfect scratch down. I don't know if I'm gonna fix it by painting it or if I'm gonna fix it by getting a car mod. Hint, hint, hint. There's a specific car mod that I could put right here that covers that scratch. Can you guys guess what it is? You guys already know how it goes. Before every trip, right, we gotta hit gas because one thing about this car is this car will take your money when it comes to gas. I can't remember the last time I filled this car up. And it's only because I don't drive this car a lot. It doesn't make sense filling it up with gas if like it's going to sit all week. So I'll probably be doing like maybe $20, $25-ish every session. But since we will be driving a good amount today, maybe 30, 40-ish, I don't know. Let's see. There's only one way to find out, feel me? Just like that, we're done. Twist this close, do that, and we are out. What the fuck? You wanna see that? Yes, no. I get none. We got our favorite parking spot once again, right in front of the freaking elevator. Hey, and hey, oh, after you, you know, we got a lot of ladies first. All right, RCF, we gonna see you soon after we get this pump. Are you excited for the pump? Yeah, we getting strong over here.
2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, guys, after about 2 tired hours, we're done with the gym. And up next we are, yo, imagine if someone just getting here. Up next we are RCF, you're still here. Hey, the ladies first, you know what I mean? Still here. Yo, it's mad sunny actually. Hold on. I gotta open it. I gotta. Oh shit, I think the battery died. I think the key, I'm not even playing.
Oh shit, it's okay.
Like, all right guys, we got a problem. We might have to tow the car. All right guys, so we have a problem. We might have to tow the car. The RCF, like, it's not starting. Oh, not again. I'm just playing guys, it's just a dead battery. Dead key battery, at that key fob battery. But if we get close enough, it might actually, all right guys, so this is what happens when you're too lazy to change out your key fob battery. You gotta actually take the whole key out. Can you just hold the camera and just point at me, please? All right guys, just, you know, if you guys had no idea how to do that, there's a push button, you know, you press it in, peel out, boom, key, right? And the key slot, it's right, are you dead ass? Yo, this is the second time that happens. Yo, guys, I'm not even playing. This is the second time where I take this key out, right? Then it finally unlocks.
Hey.
Yeah, so right now we're about to go to Walmart. It's nice weather. It's like 80 something right now. It feels like summertime, and yeah, we're cruising there. Yeah. Sheesh. You guys see that? Because we are at Walmart with not one, but two Mustangs in front of us. I don't know which one that is, but if you guys could tell which Mustang that is, let me know. It looks pretty fire. It's kind of wide. I could tell it got beefy ass tires compared to that non 5.0 Mustang. But yeah, guys. But anyways, guys, we did arrive at Walmart. This drive was like maybe 5 minutes long, even though the GPS said 40 minutes. Weird. But this is a sight though, because airplanes, as you guys saw, right? Casualties just fly relatively close. But we are at Walmart. We are going to be grabbing a few things. This is more of a chill vibe, chill trip. One positive thing also, guys, there's no more of the hub sound. So like as I'm driving, I don't hear that whirring sound, that boom, 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 boom sound. Nope, it's gone.
You know, I forgot about it.
Yeah, and you forgot it even happened, right? Yeah. You guys probably think that it takes me a long time to fix things because it took me forever to fix the windshield. But, right, I only fix things if it's annoying to me. Like, if it's, for example, a cracked windshield wasn't really annoying to me. But things that make sound, oh my God, I just can't handle it. Like, I legit can't deal with it. Like, I need to figure out what it is and resolve it. So, yeah, it's already fixed. There's another one. Damn, zoom in. We parked right here. We got some fruit across the street, but I don't think we're getting food. Are we getting food? Not right. Are we out?
You are going down.
Chill. Your shit ain't even on. That's the funny part. Gotcha. Stop. All right, guys, so I got a question for you guys. 100 men or the gorilla?
All right.
And I'm not talking about Kong, of course, but like, you know, 100 men v a gorilla. Me personally, guys, I think the gorilla is whooping
He's
those 100
wrong.
men.
He is wrong. You're wrong.
I'm not, bro.
You're wrong, man.
You guys see this? Bro,
Yes.
one arm is taken out at least 5. He's on snap. Guys, so I've been thinking about doing an engine swap on the RCF for quite some time now. So I think the best thing to get for the RCF, right, to power that car is this, guys. Feel me, guys? I think it's a 4-cylinder. The best thing about this engine, guys, is you could move it yourself. You could turn it yourself. So there's no gas, you know, it's not gas powered or electric powered. It's human powered. Even better. Lordy, guys, I don't get people. First of all, we do have a cart full of stuff, you know, hint, the video coming up. But I park far away, right? Right? As in like really far away from the place. This car decides to park right next to me. Guys, oh my gosh, I can't even make this shit up. At least the positive thing is they parked next to me, but they parked pretty far away. They obviously scooted over. Told you, yo. The views here are freaking crazy. Oh, the RCF. That's fire. This is much closer in person than it appears on the camera also. Shit's crazy. Let's see if we could capture it. Damn, that's fire. So we're actually sitting here, right? And we are just watching the planes fly by. But there's one more amazing thing, and it's, guys, look, hold on. Yo, do you guys see that? Yo, you guys see that? Bro, what? Yo, these clouds are immaculate. Yo, today is such a beautiful day. Like, it's insane, y'all. Like, I got planes flying by, then these beautiful clouds. Wow, crazy. See, there's no true direction of this video. Like, I'm just chilling, enjoying life, and yeah, we are vibing. Besides the oil that we got, that's kind of a direction, you know, oil change coming soon. But yeah, besides that, guys, we are just vibing, enjoying the weather and enjoying life. The airplanes, the clouds, you know, passenger queen, feel me? But yeah, you know, yeah, guys. They having a car meet over there? The Foik? Well, it's over there. Yo, guys, I think it's a car meet happening. Damn, it's starting to rain. No. Sheesh, those downshifts crazy. Guys, clear as no trains coming. Imagine. That's a beautiful view, but the GoPro doesn't do it justice, guys. That's the city right there. It's fire. Yo, and the clouds, what? Yo, I sincerely hope you guys can see it. But yeah. I'm not trying to run it with them. It's drizzling. Drizzy, drizzy. Yo guys, that feeling never gets old. 500 horsepower. Way too much power for the roads, guys. I'm not even joking. It's so fun. It's fun, addicting, and dangerous. With great power comes great responsibility. Let me stop, guys.